I wake up in the morning and I see another new day. Rain or shine, well, I don't mind, I'll never be alone. I've got my friends and in the end, as long as we're together, it's all for one and one for all, as everybody knows. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are
for. Something rather strange is happening in the meadow. Or should I say up in the sky? What are Dawdle, Archie and Roller Polar looking at?
Aha! Got it.
Oh, watch it.
Oh! I've heard of it raining cats and dogs.
But never herrings and cods. Where does it come from?
Right. Oh, look, it's the gulls. Here, go and have a look.
Well, they're keeping Archie happy. Where are they going?
They're in that field over the lane. I thought so. It's a tractor. Gulls, you see, always full of tractors. I suppose they turn up lots of worms. Oh, yes. It takes me back. When I was living at the North Pole, the only way to get through to rescue the seals and such like was by snowplough. I used to drive one, actually. It's not easy driving a snowplough. But once you've got the knack, you never forget it.
Roller Polar's driving a snowplow at the North Pole.
Oh, I dare say driving a tractor's very similar to driving a snowplow.
Roller Polar, it's not our tractor, and... Roller Polar, come back! You can't just go and drive somebody else's tractor. Oh, we'd better try and stop him. Come on, Archie.
Yes. Just as I thought. It's very like a snowplow. It's a bit smaller, of course.
Now, Roller Polar, it's not our snowplow, and you can't drive it because it's not yours.
Oh, very similar. Yes, you see, this is a steering wheel. It's like a snowplow. I suppose the driver's gone off for his lunch. Quite a long lunch, I suspect.
Roller Polar, no!
Oh, look, there's no harm in just sitting in it. Yes, very comfortable. It could have been made for me.
Please don't. You can't just drive somebody else's tractor.
Now, let me see. I suppose it switches on here. Oh, very powerful engines in snowplows. Tractors, I mean. Just listen to that.
Stop it! You can't!
Oh, I suppose you get it moving by just... Yes! All right, you seals. Roller Polar to the rescue! I'll just take you for a little drive. I'm a bit rusty, but it'll all come back to me.
Stop! Roller Polar, stop!
Off we go to clear the snow.
He's heading straight for the gate.
Hooray! Hooray! It's a wonderful day. It's Roller Polar to the rescue! Hooray! Hooray! It's a wonderful day!
Well, he can jolly well get on with it. And that'll teach you to eat too many fish heads. Oh, him and his snowplow. I bet he hits something. I bet he hits lots of things. I bet he has an accident. Well, I'm not going to worry. It's nothing to do with us. Come on, Archie. Oh, do come on, Archie. Roller Polar can look after himself. Oh, all right then. We'll go and look for him. Just a little way. Roller Polar could have gone anyway, and we don't know which. What is it now? Roller Polar couldn't have gone here. Not on the tractor. Could he? Roller Polar? Roller Polar, are you there? Come on, quick. Let's get out of here. I think he came this way. Roller Polar tracks. We've lost him. Excuse me, have you seen a polar bear driving a tractor? I'll take that as a no. Excuse me, excuse us. We're just looking for a lost polar bear. I can't see any more tractor tracks. Archie, what is it? What is it? Oh. Something must have given him a bad fright. Roller Polar driving a tractor. Yes, Roller Polar can't be far away now. He couldn't have driven into the sea, could he? Wait a minute. What can I hear? It's not a tractor, but... Have you any idea how worried we've been? Or how long we've been chasing after you? Or of all the damage you've done?
What? I was only having a little ride. What damage?
The damage to the barn! And that poor dog! And what are you wearing on your head?
Octopus!
Well, I don't think Roller Polar will have any more ideas about taking tractor rides after what I've said to him. Oh, that's a thank you for getting their tractor back. Well, peace at last. Now we can have a bit of a rest. We deserve it.
Not a bad little tractor, really. Of course, it's nothing compared to a snowplow. Why, I remember the time at the North... Hello? Oh, what's that? Ooh. Did I ever tell you about the time when I flew a plane at the North Pole? You see, the snow was so bad the plough couldn't get through. Oh, yes, I really enjoy that. Nothing like flying, you know.
I wake up in the morning and I see another new day. Rain or shine, well, I don't mind, I'll never be alone. I've got my friends and in the end, as long as we're together, it's all for one and one for all, as everybody knows.